shit on? Oh, so YouTube. It's the vibes, man. It's your boy Sleep So BK Fly, Big DFA in the spot. Shh, don't make it high. So I know. Yeah, I've been doing what I do, grinding, you feel me? I know I've been slacking on this shit, but you know, a lot of things going on. This is just like an update video, you feel me? But you already know my body, know what I do. Like, you know how this goes. You know how we give it up over here. Ooh. Yeah, man, but you know, like I said, this is an update video, man. A lot of things in the working, man. A lot going on. As y'all know, like I've been said, closed up my shop, right? Everybody hitting me. Yo, where the new location at? Where the new location at? When you get in the new location? They want to know where the new location. I got you, Fab. It's in Atlanta. You pulling up? You pulling up? Yeah. It's in Atlanta, man. We relocating, man. You know what I'm saying? Taking my talents to Atlanta. Yeah. So, you know, I said, it's time to open the market up, man. It's time to open the market up. It's time to go in these uncomfortable places, get out your comfort zone and go crazy. So that's what I decided to do. This New York shit is over with. Gonna go, relocate, and rebuild. You know what I'm saying? I ain't scared. I ain't scared to start all over, man. I've been this. I've been there, done that. This is nothing new. So, you know, I'm just going in this thing with a positive mindset. And, you know, do what I gotta do. You know what I mean? My wife is already out there. Already got a crib. So, it's just to move down. I already moved some of my stuff down. So, it's just to go down there and get situated, man. So, when y'all hear me say, yo, my books is open, pull up on me, I'm in the A, that means it's late, you heard? But you know, like I said, this is just a little update video, man. I want to pump out more videos, but you know, like I said, I'm in the process of moving, packing up shit, so it's a lot of shit going on, so my time is limited. But I said, since I ain't doing nothing now, let me just jump on this, bring y'all up to speed. But just stay patient with me. More content on the way. It's your boy Sleep So BK Fly. Big DFA in the spot. Shh, don't make it hot. Bye.